Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this PyTest framework series. Today we will write first script or basic test. So I will create a new directory. So this PyTest basics, this directory I have created and I will create new Python file. While creating new file, you have to write the name, either start with test underscore and you have to give the name, or else you have to give the name and then it should end with underscore test dot py. Like this we have to write our file name. Then only PyTest will automatically recognize it as a test. For example, I will give the name as test underscore first test dot py. So I have given the name as a test underscore first test dot py. So this file I have created. Now I will define one method or function. Now for giving the name to the function or method, it should start with test. So you have to make sure that it should start with test. So I will give name as a method1 colon. Then I will just simply print hi. So this is first method. I will define one more method, test underscore method2, and here I will print hello. So like this way I have created two methods, test underscore method1 and test underscore method2, and I'm just printing hi and hello in these methods. For PyTest to recognize this as a test, we have to make sure that PyTest, that package is installed in your project. I have already installed it. In my previous video I have already installed that. So if you are watching this video first time, then you have to install that package. For installing this package, you just click on the terminal and write this command pip install pytest. I have already installed, so that's why requirement already satisfied. I'm getting this message. If it is not installed in your machine, then it will be automatically installed. So this is a prerequisite. Now I will execute this. Okay. Now you can see that here we are getting this result. Launching PyTest and test session starts collecting two items. These are the two test methods are there. That's why collecting two items. And here test first test dot py. This is a file name, and test method one. This is a name of this method. It is passed and I have print hi statement. So this hi is printed here. This is for second method, test method 2. This is pass and we are getting hello. To test pass, getting this message. So like this way we can execute this test. Now suppose I will define one more method, test underscore method 3, and I will fail this method assert 2 equals to 3. I am intentionally failing these methods by giving assertion assert 2 equals to 3. 2 is not equal to 3, that's why it will fail. Execute this. Now see here, test fail 1, pass 2 of 3 tests, means out of 3 test cases 1 is failed and 2 are passed. And here also you can see in the console here, test session starts collecting 3 items. Test method 1, it is passed. Second method, test method 2, this is also passed, but test method 3 is failed. And so here we are getting the reason as well. 2 is not equal to 3. Expected 3 and actually is 2. Means here 2 it is not equals to 3. Here we have to do 3. Like this way we are getting error in detail, assertion error. So like this way we can execute our test. So this is a one way. From terminal or command line also we can execute these files. So first I will show you through this terminal. So for that we have to use this command pytest. If I am writing this pytest, then it will recognize all the tests in this project. Here 3 items are collected. Dot f means failed. Test method 3 is failed. So it is showing that assertion error, means at line number 8 getting assertion error. This way we are getting the detailed description, and here we are getting one method, one failed, 2 passed, like this way. Now I want to execute by using command line. So I will open command prompt at this location, and I will just type pytest. So by using this command pytest, we can execute this test. So now you can see that here also through command line also we can execute this files. So test method 3. So two tests are passed and one is failed. Here we are not getting the detailed descriptions about the test. So for getting the detailed description, we can use pytest hyphen fee. Hyphen fee stands for verbose. So if I'm giving argument hyphen fee, then we are getting the detailed description about the test. Now you can see that we are getting the detailed description. This one is method 1, method 2 are passed and method 3 is failed. And here detailed we are getting assertion error. So like this way by giving this hyphen fee argument, we are getting the detailed verbose. So this is all about today's video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.